Hello. In this edition, I wish to take up a subject that should logically concern all of us. It's about being Atmanirbhar in the civil aviation sector. As you all know, the Prime Minister, in a recent telecast to the nation, had urged all sectors of Indian economy to become Atmanirbhar. So the question that arises is, are we Atmanirbhar in civil aviation sector? The answer is no. This is because 70% of the India's originating traffic travels on foreign carriers. This is notwithstanding the fact that Indian aviation was given a head start by J.R.D. Tata in 1932. Civil aviation started. In 1948, Air India operated the first international flight. But the growth of Air India was very modest. This was because Government of India believed aviation to be an elitist sector and that it did not merit the kind of attention other infrastructure sectors merited. So Air India remained a small airline. In 1990s, when the Indian economy was opened up, there was a sudden boom in travel. People traveled for business, for leisure, etc. The Government of India had two options. One, to devise policies which were conducive for growth of Indian carriers. As we all know, at that time only Air India and Indian Airlines existed. And the second was to give rights to the foreign airlines. Government of India unfortunately opted for the second option, the easier option, gave seats liberally to foreign carriers, initially very liberally and later rather recklessly. So as a consequence of which, foreign carriers developed a strong stranglehold on the Indian market. In the year 2004 and subsequent years, the things only worsened. Foreign carriers were given access to various Indian cities, non-metro cities. Today there are 18 cities to which foreign carriers can operate services. Foreign carriers use these points to pick up traffic over and then to the hub and then over to destinations in Europe and United States. Many of these carriers in Middle East and in Southeast Asia owe their growth to a large extent to the India originating traffic. Now must this situation continue? Must we remain nirbhar on the foreign carriers? Must a majority, a large chunk of India originating traffic be traveling on foreign carriers? The answer is no. So isn't it time for us to act? As the Prime Minister said, let's be vocal about local. I am being vocal and hence putting the issue in public domain. I wish the Government of India, the policy makers pay heed to it and ensure that over a period of time we are no longer nirbhar on foreign carriers and we become Atmanirbhar. The time for takeoff is now. Let's do it. Thank you.